Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Volkswagen Tiguan key fob. This simple task can be done in just a few minutes. You will need a new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common 3-volt battery. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Wrapping your screwdriver tip with tape can help protect your key fob from any marks. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the release button to slide out the emergency key. Next, look for a small seam or notch along the edge of the fob, often near where the key was housed. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this opening. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate, allowing you to carefully pull them apart. With the key fob open, you will see the old round battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign or text, faces upwards. Now, gently use your tool to pry out the old CR2032 battery. Take your new CR2032 battery and carefully place it into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely snapped into place. Once reassembled, insert the emergency key back into its slot. To confirm success, simply press one of the buttons on your key fob. You should see the indicator light illuminate, confirming your new battery is working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.